Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to remove devices connected to your Instagram account. So first of all, go ahead to your app, so Google Play. Make sure by clicking on your avatar icon to double check if your Instagram app needs to be updated. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. If you want to remove other devices from that Instagram account, tap on that one of your account, and then scroll down, tap select devices, and then log out. So go ahead to account center on Meta by clicking right here, the Instagram. Basically click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, right? And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the three bars right here at the top, right? And basically, sorry, let me just type the settings and activity, yeah, and then click the account center on Meta. Basically you're gonna be able right here to see the password and security, and basically you're gonna be able to see that where you logged in, right, button. And then basically you're gonna be able right here to see, in your one of your accounts. If you have more than one account, select your account, and you're gonna be able right here to see the devices, and then click on the device that you want to log out of, and then just go ahead and click log out, and then hit log out. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.